In this short video, you will learn how easy it is to work with Set.a.light 3D Studio, which should help you at the beginning. Start the program and choose a room. Later, you can create your own rooms and save to reuse them over and over again. Over here are the navigation tools to move around in the studio area. By holding the right mouse button and moving the cursor, you can rotate the room. Using the scroll wheel of the mouse, you can easily move in and out of the studio. Choose a model from the studio library in the bottom left corner and load her via drag and drop. Alter her pose and change the color of her clothing. Experiment with light and shade by moving the light shaper around in the studio. All you need is to grab an object and release it where you want it to be. You can see the effect of your light in real time in the preview camera up here. To better evaluate your light, you can swap the view by clicking this button here. Even in this small window, you can move the objects and change the settings. Also, in this top view window, you can keep track of everything and move objects in the studio around. You need more light? Then get a different light shaper from the studio library we mentioned before, and exchange it with another by a simple drag and drop replacement. After that, you can compare the different lighting effects easily. You can also duplicate a light by holding down the Alt key and dragging the mouse to the side. In this area, you can adjust the light shapers the way you like. We also created a shortcut for multiple selections. To move two or more objects at the same time, you have to select them while holding down the Ctrl key. This should get them moving all at the same time. For minor adjustments, you can also use the arrow keys on your keyboard. Your image is finished, then it's on to the set plan. But first you have to develop the photo. Your snapshot will appear below in the timeline. With a double tap, you can open the photo viewer and put the finishing touches to the set plan. Enter, for example, your name and some notes. Export it and save the PDF. Here you will find all the information you need to recreate your settings in the real studio. The final setup plan will help you to relax before a shooting session, and you can look forward for some outstanding shots where you can concentrate fully on the model. The setup plan will give you the security to achieve the desired results quickly and effectively. To find further videos on how to start quickly with Set.a.light 3D Studio, you can go on YouTube or our blog. And by the way, every 6 to 8 weeks there's a free update that brings new features to our software. And now we hope your creativity runs wild and you get some wonderful shots.